an interesting question for you.
Okay.
Have you ever seen the movie The Magic Railroad, and do you know why Missing Connector reads the clue? It's something to do with the source of the gold dust.
No, I have not seen that movie, so I guess I'm at a loss as to answering the other part of your question.
Do you have any thoughts on it? Like, what do you think?
What do you think about it?
Don't know.
It's a mystery.
It's a mystery.
And I have seen an engine called the Edison steam locomotive, named after the inventor Thomas Edison.
Oh, okay.
I've seen those at the village as well.
Yes. Yes.
Thanks.
Hey, it was my pleasure talking to you today.
Do you know in the movie in the Polar Express? Is it Polar Express? Where they go right when they pull their chin?
You know, as much as I love trains, I have not seen all of the Polar Express movies.
Okay.
It's kind of bad on my part, but, you know.
Mm,
I think, doesn't he pull his chin to like blow the whistle or something? Or what does he pull his chin for?
to get the reindeer like animals like such as the caribou out of the way.
Oh, okay, I see.
And so I'm going to sign up on the board.
Very
Good
good.
job, good job. All
Thank
right.
you. Very good is right.
Number 4.